Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. Today we are going to look at Euro USD analysis, and as we have seen all these days, despite having many big events, the Euro USD has fallen with very low volume. The US data came out very well and the price is barely moving, as you may see. From the previous analysis that we have seen, so I shared this from the top, also before it was shared also in this point. Price developed how it was predicted and we are out of the bigger picture. Also, we had the previous ACB, the price moved down. We had the non-farm payroll data that came out better than expected. They were more than double at that point, as you may see. Is the analysis here. Price continued to push down. And later we had the CPI data. So price came down, hesitated for the next movement, and then we may see the price that is still moving down. Also during this moment of time, this was the time for the CPI data. It was very important, as you may see from the title here. The CPI data is still supporting the US. They pushed the price down, but we are having a slowdown in the volume. However, also during the previous time, all these movements that are looking so big, these are not big at all. The market is just moving with very slow volume. It is spending a time since at the beginning of February until now, and this is getting very boring. 200 pips in 1 month, and the time spent, as you may see from this point, this is approximately 18 days, 20 days. So too many days for this small amount of pips here. On the other hand, the price also in this video is pushing down, so everything is in line with expectations as I have updated step by step. But the problem is that the price is not moving down from this point. If we are going to move back on a lower time frame, we may see that yesterday the GDP data came out a bit mixed from the numbers. However, they were not bad at all considering the big problems of the previous year. Price moved down only 43, 44 pips here, and it is showing a resistance right now. So all of these moves that are happening, the price doesn't want to move down with very high volume. So what is happening at this moment? Considering that we already finished all the big events from the US, after we reached some key points here, maximum that it can move down is the structure zone close to 1.05. But as long as it didn't happen, I don't see the price to move down at this point. However, we have to see what is going to happen during the coming days. Considering that price is not moving at all, this is very ugly movement considering to the technical perspective. Probably the market is focused on the ACB monetary policy statement that will be on March 16th. As you may see, it is Thursday. We have the monetary policy statement, ACB rate, interest rate decision, and the ACB rate on main refinancing operation. So what is going to happen at this moment? The problem is that we are approximately 20 days from this day, but the market may anticipate the next interest hike from euro, sorry. And we have to be very careful related with this topic. If we are going to look at the European Central Bank, this is the official page, forecasters expects the ECBK main refinancing operations interest rate to increase to 3% in the first quarter of 2023 and to 3.5% in the second quarter of 2023 again. So before easing slightly in 2024 and 25 below 3, so all the countries are expecting to decrease the interest rates during the next years. However, for the moment, we are talking about two possible interest rates. If we are going to look at a CNBC article, Lagarde during the previous time, she pointed out that they will increase the interest rates by 0.5% or 50 basis points in March, and they will continue to increase the interest rates by 50 basis points again on the second quarter. Probably this is what I'm actually thinking, considering that we don't have anything at all from the US right now. The economy calendar for this week is almost empty, and during the coming weeks, during the first weeks of uh, March, we are going to have also on March 16 interest rate decision. We are going to have other data from Eurozone related with the GDP product. This will be on March 8th. Very important data, as you may see. This is GDP product. It is expected 0.1% again and 1.9 for the yearly. This is for the quarterly, 0.1%. So let's see, very important data. We have the retail sales on March 8 from Germany. This is going to be very important considering that it is considered also one of the most important countries in Europe for contributions. Here we have for Australian dollar, but it will not impact Euro USD. We have retail sales on March 6th. So as you may see, we have too many data that will come during the next month. And this is the only reason that I think that Euro USD is not moving at all these days. Also, on March 2nd, Thursday, March 2nd, we may see we have the non-farm payroll data. Sorry, it should be on Friday. I missed it. We should have the non-farm payroll data here because they are on the first week of the month, on Friday usually. It is not here. Probably they will add it later. So let's see what is going to happen. But this is why I think that Euro USD is not moving down. So we should not bet against Euro USD right now. At least we have to wait for a clear picture. Probably during these days we may see also the price to create a bigger correction before the bullish or the bearish movement. But considering that everyone will anticipate the interest rate increase by 0.5%, the chances are very high that we may see Euro USD to increase, and probably later we may see the bearish wave again to happen on Euro USD. So let's see, because it's too early to say that, but considering that the market is not moving, the chances are very high for the movement that I'm currently expecting here. So that's all for Euro USD. I hope you enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.